Welcome to this video on the Myocardial Performance Index, or MPI. We will explore what it is, where it is used, and how it is calculated. The Myocardial Performance Index, also known as the Tei Index, is a non-invasive echocardiographic measure. It assesses the overall performance of the heart, considering both systolic and diastolic function, to determine the efficiency of the heart's pumping action. MPI is calculated by dividing the sum of the isovolumetric contraction time, or ICT, and the isovolumetric relaxation time, or IRT, by the ejection time, or ET. Abnormal MPI values, typically outside the 0.35 to 0.55 range for a fetus, can suggest cardiac dysfunction. Monitoring fetal MPI helps detect heart abnormalities and guides timely intervention. For the measurement, we use a 5-chamber apical view with a 2 to 4 millimeter Doppler sample gate placed over the mitral and aortic valve leaflets. You must observe the valve clicks on the waveform. Repeat the measurement 3 to 5 times for enhanced reproducibility. ICT is the time from the closure of the mitral valve, or MV, to the opening of the aortic valve, or AV. IRT is the time from the closure of the AV to the opening of the MV. ET is the ejection time, from the opening to the closure of the AV. Prolonged ICT may indicate fetal anemia. The fetal MPI is a valuable tool for monitoring the cardiac function of diabetic patients during pregnancy. It aids in the early detection of potential heart abnormalities in the fetus by assessing the ratio of time spent in systole and diastole. Regular monitoring is crucial for both mother and baby's health. This image shows a modified MPI measurement, demonstrating the ICT, IRT, ET, and calculated MOD MPI values.